Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to recover your hacked Quora account. In this video, I will show you how to change and reset your password and how to recover your account if the hacker changed your email. Head down to the description or comment section to view the timestamps. Let's go. To change your password, you want to click on your profile at the top right. Then you want to click Settings. Then here next to Password, you want to click Change Password. Here you want to type in your current password and click Done. And in here you can type in your new password and confirm it and click Change Password. If you're logged out, you can try to access Quora from another device or browser that you already may be logged into. And if you connected either your Google or Facebook account to your Quora account, you can try logging in via those methods as well. And if you're unable to change your password, then you would need to reset your password. To change your password, you want to head over to Quora's login page and you want to click Forgot Password. And here you want to enter in your email and complete the CAPTCHA. And click Submit. Then you want to go check your inbox for a message from Quora. So the email should look like this and it should come from noreply@quora.com. And you can click the link here in the email. And here you can type in your new password and click Reset Password. If you can't find your account information, then you would need to go to the next recovery step. If your email was changed, you want to head over to Quora's support site, help.quora.com. It's on your screen now and it will also be in the description as well. And once you're on the site, under What Can We Help You With, you want to select I Need Help With My Account. And here you can go ahead and fill out this form, so your email, ideally the email that was previously linked to your account for the best case. And under subject, you can put something like my account was hacked. And under description, you can use the format that I have in the description and tweak it to your situation. And then you want to go ahead, enter your name, your Quora link if you know it, it's not required, any attachments that you may want to add, and then you want to click Submit and wait for a response from Quora support. Here are some tips on securing your Quora account. Secure your email, verify that the email on the account belongs to you, use different and strong passwords across all sites, enable 2FA, go to settings and sign out of everywhere, and revoke any suspicious third-party apps or third-party accounts. If you follow the steps in this video and still having trouble with your account, join our Discord community. You'll get help from both us and other members to guide you through the account recovery process and secure your account. For more severe cases, we offer one-on-one single and multi-account recovery help for comprehensive support with hacks affecting multiple accounts. Click the link in the description or on your screen now to join our Discord and get help recovering and securing your account today. Thanks for watching. Stay secure.